Hey there, curious learners! Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of commemorative speeches. But first, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and for more updates, hit the bell icon. Let's dive in. A commemorative speech is an honorable tribute we give publicly, celebrating a person, event, or a group. Its purpose? To inspire through praise. We all love a good story, right? And that's exactly what a commemorative speech should be, an inspiring story that leaves a lasting impact. Imagine giving a speech about Albert Einstein. Instead of just listing his achievements, a commemorative speech would celebrate who he was and why his life is inspiring. This helps us to appreciate his contributions and maybe even aspire to follow in his footsteps. There are several types of commemorative speeches, from acceptance speeches, where you express gratitude for an award, to eulogies honoring the life of a person no longer with us. You might even come across a wedding toast, goodwill speech, or a nomination speech at a political event. So, how do you start a commemorative speech? Start with a hook to grab attention, write a concise introduction about your topic, and delve into the body of your speech. Here, discuss achievements, experiences, and qualities that inspire. Finally, wrap it up with a memorable conclusion, highlighting the lasting impact of the person or event you are celebrating. Don't forget, the goal of a commemorative speech is to make the audience remember. So speak your mind and encourage others to feel the same way. You can even sprinkle in some humor or personal flair to keep things interesting. And remember, always respect your audience. That's all for today, folks. Remember, your words have the power to inspire, so use them wisely. And before we say goodbye, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. For more updates, hit the bell icon. Keep learning and stay curious. See you in the next video.